How to book your Macau hotel room by using mobile app. Welcome. Let's move on. How to book your Macau hotel room by using mobile app. First, you have to install the Macau Travel Tour Guide mobile app from Google Play Store by clicking the link below this video here at the description part. And the URL link look like this. Or you can pause this video and scan the following QR code with your mobile phone QR code scanner to install the Macau Travel Tour Guide mobile app. And the Macau Travel Tour Guide mobile app icon look like this. After you have installed this Macau Travel Tour Guide mobile app, please follow this coming step-by-step video screenshot to book your Macau hotel room fast and easily before you travel to Macau for vacation and holidays with your family and friends. Okay, now let's go to Google Play Store, and then you can see you go to search Macau Travel Tour Guide and this one, and then once you have installed this, you click on open, and then it will bring you this Macau Travel Tour Guide mobile app. And then the first row, look at the first row in the middle of this icon showing hotel booking icon. Then you just click on it and it will bring you to the hotel booking platform. Okay, you can browse through the available hotel in Macau. Let me enlarge the page for your easy viewing. Okay, at the top of this hotel booking page, you can search a hotel in Macau by inputting your check-in date and check-out date, and also room for how many person, 2 adults, 1 adult, families or group. Select here and click on search. Or you can browse through the popular Macau hotel list on this page. You can look at their ratings, star rating, their score. Fabulous 8.6 for this 5-star hotel in Sheraton Grand Macau Hotel Kotai Center. Okay, you can browse through the list of the hotel here in Macau. Okay, and here showing all the total 103 hotels in Macau. Let's say, let me give an example how to book the hotel. Let's say I want to choose which hotel. Let me browse through. For example, I want to book this the Venetian Macau Resort Hotel. Let me click on View Deal. And it will show me the Venetian Macau Resort Hotel. And you can look at the bigger picture of this hotel. You can browse through the hotel. Okay, and browse through the hotel photo, hotel room, and their facility available in this hotel. Okay, and you can read this hotel, Macau Resort Hotel description and their guest review here. You see, this hotel is good for shopping, large bathroom, good size bed, super nice 9 point. Okay, scroll down, and then on this page you can look at the hotel features in general, activities, services, internet and parking. Check-in time 2 PM, check-out time 11 AM on next day. And then you can look at this Macau Resort Hotel, their rating summary. Family who like to stay here, family is most popular. And then you can read through all the comment or review, the guest review that staying on this, where they are staying this hotel before. I've booked this hotel before. Okay, let's say I want to book this hotel. I have to input my check-in date. Okay, then let's say I choose a date. Okay, and then okay, Friday, April until Saturday, 1 day, 2 adults. Click here, check availability and prices. Okay, then I can look at the price for 1 night of booking this hotel from a different provider. I can look at compare 4 more website. Then it will show me more prices, different provider hotel booking prices here. Okay, then I will choose the best deal that I want. Okay, now let's say I want to choose for example Royal Deluxe Suite Agoda. Click on View Deal here, and then they will redirecting me to the booking platform after 3 seconds. Okay, and then it will show me the hotel booking provider page. Okay, let's say I want this. I just click on it. Okay, it will show me the hotel booking page with all the hotel picture being displayed at the top. Scroll down. Okay, look at the map and their most popular landmark nearby this hotel, and this is a hotel named Royal Deluxe Suite. Okay, city view, 1K big, maximum for 2 adults. Okay, let's say I want to book a room. Click here. Okay, look at the price. Today 60% off showing here, 1149 ringgit Malaysia. Okay, let's say I want this. I can choose other price with different package and services, also free shuttle service, prefer for 2 person. Okay, let's say I want to book this hotel room. I just click book now, pay later. Okay, then it will process my instruction command clicking this book now for this hotel room. Okay, then sometimes it takes a longer time because of internet connection. Oh, it's not available. Let's go back to the previous page again. Okay, then click on, let's say I click the first one, select. I have to click here, select. Then you will be ready to pack in just a minute. It's happening, and this is loading the booking form. I have to input all my personal detail to book this hotel within 20 minutes time. Okay, this is the hotel booking detail, check-in date and time, check-in date and check-out date, and then stay for 1 night, 1 room, 2 adults, maximum occupancy 2 adults. And then I have to input my detail: first name, last name, email address, contact number, country of origin of residence. Okay, let me show you just for demonstration. Okay, on the right hand side here, showing me the price of the hotel room booking, 1000 plus. Okay, and let me show you the way to book this hotel. Let me input my first name and last name for demonstration. Okay, let's go email.com. Again, let's email.com. Okay. Please take, if you are making this booking for someone else, no, I won't take, it's for myself. Of course, if you're making this booking for someone else, you can take here. And then, do you have a smoking preferences? Non-smoking. What bed do you prefer? Prefer a large bed. Okay. Let us know when you're arriving. Okay, I just leave it, I don't know. Then click on next page. Oh yeah, this is, they have to input and retype my email correctly. Okay, and then once everything, click on next page. It will redirect me to the next page for me to input my payment method. I have to click here to choose my payment method. Let's say I choose a credit card. Then I have to input my credit card information, my card holder name, credit card number, expiry date, and CVC or CVV number of this card. Okay, then I click book now to complete my hotel room booking, and they will email my hotel room booking information to my given email address. Once you have done everything, check your email, print it out, okay, and then go to the stay in the hotel. Okay, click done. Once you have done, just click done here. Okay, and that will exit the hotel booking page. and get further explore more on this Macau tour guide, travel tour guide app here to find out the travel places in Macau. Okay, so where to download this Macau travel tour guide mobile app for you to book your hotel room before traveling to Macau? Okay, I show you the QR code again. You can scan the QR code with your mobile phone to install and install this Macau Travel Tour Guide mobile app to book your hotel, or you can click on the link below this video description. Okay, please remember to like this video and share with your friends. Okay, and click on the bell for notification. They will notify you in future I have a new video posted on this my YouTube channel. Okay, thanks for watching.